Everyone, my name is Kiran Manavre and today is my day 52 of 100 days in coding challenge. So today I will tell you about the reduce method. So reduce method is another high order function and it is used to perform some arithmetic operation in that given array. So there is an data, it is basically an array of objects, and here is an array which has some numbers in it. If you want to calculate that number, sum of that number, so how would you do? We will do with the if first we have to create a variable which stores every sum of that particular index, and then we iterate it by using loops. Okay, just like that. Okay, I'm telling about this. There is a variable sum which has 0, and I am one by one iterate on this array and add the sum of this. So if I run it, the output will like this. Sorry. This. Okay. So the total sum is 199. Okay. But there is a solution for that. In JavaScript, there is a reduce method is available in which we can perform any arithmetic operations in it. So this is the array, and how to use this method? We just simply create like that. We have here create sum, here I create total variable. In this I just run this number dot reduce and the function a dot I. So we return a plus I, and I start a is equals to 0. So it iterate on each index and add that value in particular return it to the total. So the output will be same. Let's use this reduce method on our given data user. So we just add all the edges of the users, some of the total edges 1806. If you want to calculate average, subtraction, multiplication, division in that array, so we can use the reduce higher function. So this is all for today, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next time.